Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through on how to fix stuck iPhone screen. So if you want to fix stuck iPhone screen, here's a quick guide on how to do that. Actually, there is no specific button that you can press for it to be able to fix that, because once your screen is fixed, the only option you have is just to have to force to stop the iPhone by just turning it on, turning it off and turning it on again. So for you to be able to do this, you're just going to listen to the guide. Just quickly click on the volume up button, then immediately drop it, then quickly click on the volume down button, then hold your power button, hold it until you see the Apple logo on. Then with that, you will be able to fix the stock screen on iPhone, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.